to Marie's Corner. Today we have something in this bag. Let's look.
We got many
surprises. Time to open.
Open. Ow.
Sorry.
Open. Open. Yay, we got 1,
3,
2, 1. 3. 1 surprise egg. 1 is for her, for you, 1 for you, and 1 for me. Okay.
Marie goes first.
Okay. What do you got? Okay, what do you got? Okay, let's get inside and open. Ooh,
Atrás ako food or
a toy. No. Wait. Which toy do you got?
On your mark. Get set, go. Is it really hard?
She got a car. I got
A motorcycle.
I got motorcycle.
Let's build it.
I go eat chocolate. No, let's build it
Later.
Okay, let's see who's going to finish.
Rock, paper, scissors. I'm going to.
That's so good.
Opening up.
delicious.
Open.
Maddie, is your chocolate delicious?
Yeah.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom. Okay, box. Let's see. No, Judy put the pocket. I go eat a chocolate. You